Ooh-wee. So today, with the Transformative Biblical Truth, today I bring you the truth for the week. And this week is how you can trust God when you can't see the full picture. Oh, yes, we talk about Psalm 91, that we can dwell under the secret place of the Most High, and we can say that He is our refuge and our fortress, and we should really be trusting in Him. But sometimes it's a little bit difficult when we don't have all the pieces to the puzzle, when we can't see how it's going to work out. But here, I'm going to give you 5 things that you need to do in less than 5 minutes in order to put feet to your faith so that you can walk victoriously. This is your truth for the week. Number 1, you're going to spend time in His presence. Oh, see, you got to get the frame right. You got to come in and know really who He is, and you got to see the outside. The only way you're going to see the outside is if you allow God to speak over your life. So you need to be in His presence. Be where He is and allow Him to speak to your heart. That's your devotion time, okay? And number 2, you're going to spend time in His word, because you want every single one of His promises. Soak those in. What has He promised you? What has He said about you? Those are some of those missing pieces that are starting to be put into place, because you can stand on that. That means that He starts adding the color to make it clearer. But then number 3, I want you to ask for help. The help that you need, the pieces that you need that are missing from your puzzle. It might be some partners, but it might be just some growing that you need to do. Those missing pieces, you're going to ask for help. But then number 4, you're going to ask for His wisdom and His supernatural strategies, because there's some things that we can do and some things that God has to do for us. It's how He's going to put those pieces in the right places, and He's going to help you process it along the way. And then step number 5, you're going to breathe. Yes, you're going to breathe. You're going to abide, but you're going to be grateful in your abiding. You see, you're going to be grateful for what you have. You're going to be grateful for what He has already created you to be. You're going to be grateful that you're growing, and you're going to be grateful for where you are going. So those are your 5 steps in order to put feet to your faith, so that you can then trust God when you don't see the big picture. You're going to be in His presence. You're going to get in His word. You're going to ask for help for those missing pieces. You're going to ask for those strategies that He can get you there. And then you're going to breathe and be grateful. This is Dr. Chonta Haynes with Heart Truth Ministries, helping you put feet to your faith so that you can live victoriously. Have an absolutely fantastic rest of your week. Hi, thanks for listening and watching. And if you enjoyed what you've seen, make sure you subscribe, like, and share, and hit that notification button so you'll know the next time there's a new episode. Listen, as a result of my coaching program, my clients have experienced a calming of the emotional roller coaster. They have a compelling future, as well as the confidence and the know-how to achieve it. And they have clarity on the financial tools that they need in order to live life on their terms and save tens of thousands of dollars. I'm looking for women who are devastated by the double Ds, divorce or death, who want to gain confidence to live life on their terms with peace and financial security. My question is, who do you know? Have them go ahead and book a call with me so that we can get to that compelling future. My heart may be broke, but your bank account doesn't have to be. You can find us online at htruth.org. At Heart to Heart Truth Ministries, we're helping believers live an abundant life based on God's Word, standing on His promises, walking out His principles, sharing with God's people, serving as unto the Lord.